Welcome CRM crew, my name is Nick and in today's quick tutorial I'm going to be explaining how to add voting to a board in Monday.com. So once you log into Monday.com, of course you'll come to the home screen. Now in order to add the vote column to a board, you firstly need to head over to the board. So if we go to the workspaces up the top left here and then select the board that we'd like to add the vote column to. So I'm going to use this board as our example today, and then to add the vote column we need to go to the far right, press the plus button where it says add column. And then we need to go to the more columns option down the bottom here, press that, and then we can search using the search bar at the top right hand corner. I'll just search vote, and then as you can see the vote board, or the vote column sorry, has appeared. And in order to add it to the board we just need to press add to board, and then as you can see it appears here. Now in order to use the vote column, obviously you get to select which, or users inside of the Monday.com system get to select which item they'd like to vote for. So if it's everyone votes for one particular item, then it would come up as full on the bar here, and then as I'll demonstrate, if you press a different option then it averages out, so that'd be 33%, that'd be 50% of course. So it's very much a voting mechanism for the different items, and that is how to add the voting column into Monday.com. I hope this video has clearly explained how to add voting to a board in Monday.com. If you do have any further questions, please drop me an email. My details are in the description below. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you shortly in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.